Good afternoon, and good afternoon. Welcome once again to our Blackpool Biker. Just going to pop over, just quickly show you St Chad's in a minute. Show you the sea a sec. Sunday afternoon, about 12:30. Tide's on its way out, by the look of things. Yeah, so we're in between central and south really here. South Pier just over that way. It's not quite as clear today. Yesterday was so clear. Obviously going over towards central that way. And the tower. So we'll have a wander, just show you quickly. Looks like they're getting a bit more heavy machinery stuff in there now. We'll go and have a look. So yeah, I hope everyone's well, staying safe. I hope everyone was alright with yesterday's April Fool one. It was just something, wasn't it? A bit of a laugh. It was my dad's idea actually, that one. I couldn't think of anything for this year's April Fool, so just went that way. And when them coaches were there, it's for everyone coming in, film crews and what have you, to come in and show the massive monster crab terrorising Blackpool Beach. It just worked in handy, that was actually the coach rally, as we found out later on. A little bit of a wander. We've got the tram down here. Just walked to North and it was a bit, you know, so I just got the tram. Still have my ticket from yesterday, so it weren't too bad. Yeah, so it was pretty good. Try and show you what I can. It's difficult because obviously they've fenced it all off, as you can see. Show you what I mean by a caterpillar here and what have you. Going out. Yeah, and you can see just there, you know, the parts. It's looking imminent, isn't it? Really, to be fair. It's not a bad day, it's not too bad. Not much wind, so at least you can hear me. Yeah, I've seen comments on these, especially the last one I did on it, the last update. You know, some of these Blackpool hotels need knocking down. And yeah, there's some that you can't help thinking how many people's been through these, can you, over the years. You know, it seems a shame in a way. You can see there's hardly any windows in now and that. You see up there, the ones that have a bit. Yeah, this is Woodfield, this one, Woodfield. It's just looking so sorry for itself now, isn't it? Let's have a quick glance around the back. Let's have a look down here. It looks like they're doing something in the middle here. Not positive, obviously. Oh, danger. Keep out. I think it was about a month ago last time we had a look round. Something like that. Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, just... It is a shame though, isn't it? In a way. I know there's a point in there where they come, you know, to get them done up to former glory, shall we say. Where's the point where the cost effectiveness just goes, you know, it's more to knock them down than, sorry, more to get them done up than to, you know, just knock them down really. Yeah. Yeah. Look, it's like, I'm not sure if you've seen that window there, it looks like pigeon home now, isn't it? Home for the pigeons now. Look. Yeah, there's been how many thousands upon thousands have been through here over the years. It does say the date on the front, and it's basically 5 houses, what would have been 5 like terraces, if you will, together. I'll show you in a sec when we get round. If I can get the sign in, that is. I know a lot stopped on Woodfield and Wellington, and obviously all these round here. This is the Lindeen, the blue one. The Lindeen Hotel here. There's a car coming down. It won't be a minute, mate. Plenty of passing places. Yeah, look, all the windows are through, aren't they? Just about now. Whether that's by design or who knows. Just see if we can get this sign in for you so you can see what date. I think it... I can't remember, to be honest. Memory's gone again. See if we can get this in. St Chad's Terrace. See what I mean? 317 to 327. So, you know, and then you've got the other one that was at the end at one time. Yeah, 1891 that says. Not sure if that's coming out. Can't hold it steady enough. But yeah, definitely says 1891. So yeah, Lindeen, I was saying about next door, still going well. But yeah, it just seems a shame, doesn't it? It really does. Yes, you've got your Lindeen here. So, oh, you've been alright with that little wander round St Chad's. Let me know how everyone is on this Sunday. Most of all, I'll upload this as soon as possible. Most of all, stay safe. You know what it is. Have a cracking day.